Okay, have you tried AI Keno numbers yet? If you want to win at Keno, this video has 3 of the luckiest sets of AI Keno numbers. Subscribe, then watch the end of this video for the best winning 10 spot. Let's go on to our first bonus round, already in progress. Yes, 7 out of 10. Very cool. Lower left of the Keno card has become very lucky lately. Notice AI Keno numbers are mixed with some of my lucky Keno numbers. When you win a jackpot with these Keno numbers, leave a comment below. Be sure and subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers. Let's go on to our second set of lucky AI Keno numbers. Okay, I first saw Keno Doghouse on Facebook. That is, a Keno 5 spot shaped like a doghouse. Subscribe for more free AI Keno numbers for your doghouse. Let's take a look at 2 doghouses in this second bonus round. Bet is 10, the coin is 5. Be sure and copy these 5-spot doghouse numbers for your next Keno game. Yes. The first hit is a 5 out of 10. Cool. 4 out of 10. Another one. 4 out of 10. Cool. Yes. 6 out of 10 for 100 credits. And yet another 4 out of 10. Last play coming up. 220 for the bonus round. Outstanding. 230 total credits for this bonus round. Have fun playing the Doghouse AI Keno numbers. Turn these Doghouse numbers into a jackpot. Let's take a look at our next winning AI Keno bonus round. Yes, we use Google Bard for our AI Keno strategies. Later this year, we will switch to Google AI Gemini for Keno numbers and strategies. Subscribe to keep up with the latest at the AI Keno community. Let's take a look at our next AI Keno bonus round. The bet is max, the coin is 5. Yes. 6 out of 10, a great way to start. 4 out of 10, we'll take it. Yes, 7 out of 10. Okay, do you want to win at Keno? Try the latest AI Keno numbers today. What are you waiting for? Write these Keno numbers down. Yes, subscribe for the latest AI Keno numbers. Couple more plays to go. Cool. Last play is a 4 out of 10. Yes, a 4 out of 10 got us into the bonus. 850 credits total. Listen up. AI Keno numbers do work. Join the Google AI Keno community now and be a winner at Keno. Yes, beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.